Good morning, lovely faces. How are you all doing? Good? Okay. Okay. So today, this morning, I have got some secrets for you all. Secrets, your secrets. Want to know? Your online class secrets. Okay. So many things have come to know which you all do during online classes. So just be honest, and if you are doing that, do like this. If you are really not doing it, then like this. Ready? Okay. So keep your cameras most of the time off during online class. How many of you do that? Come on, tell me. Yes. Okay. Then you eat while online class. Eating. Oh, all good children, huh? Pay proper attention in the class. Pay proper attention in the class. Okay. Then just roam around in the house while the class is going on. Okay, I can see some students are very honest. Okay. So, there are many things which you all are doing, since a few months when, your online classes have started, right? And you feel that teacher doesn't come to know, but teacher has one CCTV camera with her and she really comes to know what the child is doing. Okay. So don't keep in your mind that teacher doesn't understand. Teacher can understand everything very well. Teacher knows you all very well, right? But the situation is such that you all are, having some extra liberty, right? So I'll, introduce you to one of my student, okay? And his name is Amay, okay? His name is Amay, and we'll just see his story, what he feels and what happens, okay? Okay, let's see. Okay, so the boy here is Amay, and the girl next to him is his sister Sia. Okay, Amay and Sia. So now these both are attending online classes just like you. Okay, so Amay is saying, Sia, online classes are so nice. I am enjoying it. Okay, so Sia says, Amay, you need to be attentive, dear. So the sister is noticing since few days that Amay is, becoming very lenient day by day, and he is not paying much attention in the online class. So the sister is advising him that you need to be attentive, dear. Now see, next time again when they are attending the online class, Amay is just sitting relaxed. So what his sister is saying, what are you doing? Look what teacher is teaching. So Amay says, today I don't feel like paying attention. My camera is off. You also feel like that? Today I don't feel like paying attention. And just, turn off the camera. Huh? Okay. So then what happens? The sister, she goes to her mother and the story starts called The Journey of Maths. Okay. So we are going to learn a very important and very interesting story today called Journey of Maths. Okay. So the sister says, Amay, that whatever teacher teaches us helps in daily life. Do you all agree? Show me your thumb in the camera if you agree that whatever teacher teaches you in the daily life, no, it helps you in the daily life. Okay. Bharshiv, I can see he agrees. Who else? Anamika. Okay. Now what Amay feels, let us see. I really don't think so. So he says, Sia, that I don't think so. What teacher teaches helps us in real life. Okay. So now the sister is worried that he is not even paying attention and now he thinks that it is not at all important. So what Sia does, he goes to her mother. Okay. She goes to her mother and she says that, Mama, Amay says whatever teacher teaches us doesn't help in daily life. She's really worried. So her mama says, don't worry, we will make him understand. Okay. So now let us see how Amay understands the importance. Okay. Now see. First episode, we are going to see that the kids are playing with blocks. Okay. You all also play with blocks now. There are blocks of various shapes, right? And both of them are playing with blocks. So what Sia does, Sia is asking Amay to name the So they started revising the geometrical shapes. So the shapes were circle, triangle, square, rectangle, star, hexagon, oval, diamond, heart. Okay. So now it's time for you all to revise. Okay. Now I want somebody to identify the following. Okay. Shreya Maurya.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah. Come on, tell me, beta. What is the first one?
Radius.
Very good. Second one?
Center.
Very good. Third?
Diameter.
Nice. Next?
Chord.
Yes. What about the angles?
Acute angle.
Yes.
Right angle.
Yes.
Obtuse angle.
Very good, Shreya. Give me a high five. Give me a high five. Very good. Okay. So the next exercise for you all, you have to identify the figure and you have to name number of sides and tell me number of vertices. Okay. Rubia, come on, tell me. Rectangle. Okay. Number of sides. Number of sides. Yes. And number of vertices? 4. Very good. What about the next figure? Yes. Number of sides? Yes. And number of vertices? Yes. Very good. What about the last one?
Triangle.
Very good. Number of sides?
3.
Yes. And number of vertices?
3.
Yes. Very good, Rubia. Give me a high five. Very good. Okay. So now we have to see the episode 2, practice of filling form. Now see, as the students are at home, there are many new things, which you all can learn. Like whenever we go to a bank or we go to, some admission center or anything, you need to fill a form, right? And those basics which you need to fill are already taught you in school, right? So what happens, as you know, Amay feels that nothing is to do with the studies, right? So while he was filling the form, he just got confused with a number name. And he asked his mama, Mama, FORTY 40 or FOURTY 40? So mama is just looking at Amay. Oh God, you don't even know the spelling of 40? Don't you pay attention dear in the class? And Sia is like, can I say? So here Amay, realizes that when we fill the form or when we are writing our details and all, we need to know the basic spellings and all. We need to know the number names correctly, right? It is not restricted only to our exam papers, but later also when you grow up, also when you are writing a check for somebody, when you're giving a check to somebody, you need to write the whole figure in words. Have you noticed? Your parents? Yes. Right. Hridaya Parab is paying attention. Huh? Very good, Hridaya. Okay. So now let me see about number work. I have one number and multiple sums. Okay. So I want Gayatri to just help me out to find the answers for these. Are you ready, Gayatri?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Can you be a bit louder, beta?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So first you have to tell me the number name of the given number which I have given you.
4125.
Very good. Very good. Now tell me the expanded form of the same number.
4000 plus 100 plus 20 plus 5.
Very good, Gayatri. Very good. Next, tell me place value of each digit. You have to tell me. Place value of 4 is?
4 is equal to 4000
Place
One
value
is
of 1 is?
8. 2
Place
is
value of 2 is?
20.
And place value of 5 is?
5.
Right. So 4 is in the thousands place, 1 is in the hundreds place, 2 is in the tens place, and 5 is in the units place. Right, Gayatri? Good. Give
Yes.
me a high five. Okay. Next sum. Now, Gayatri, you have to tell me the Devanagari script. At least tell me the numbers. How can I write? Say.
4 1 2 5.
Okay, okay. So that is the Devanagari script. Okay. Now you have to tell me the number which comes before 4125. Which number comes before 4125?
4124.
Very good. And now you have to tell me the successor, means the number which comes after 4125.
4126.
Very good, Gayatri. Give me a high. So this was one number and multiple sums. Okay. You can also practice like this, dear students. You can just take one number and you can write these 6 sums for each number. That way you will get practice of each and every type of questions. Okay. Okay. Now let's see the third episode, the library story. Now what happens in the library? You want to know? Yes? Okay. So these children, they are reading the books in the library. And then Sia says, Amay, just add 463 English books plus 578 Hindi books plus 475 Marathi books. Let's find out how many total books are there in the library. So can you look at the Amay's face? He's like, oh God, who is going to add these 3 numbers now? How will I add 3 numbers? What to do? So he's very much confused. So many a times it happens that if you are not used to doing additions and basic operations, every day for practice and all, and when you really need to do it, or when somebody tells you to add it, then instantly you are not, you are able to answer. First, you feel confused. Secondly, you feel scared. Thirdly, you just feel like going from there. Right? Do you agree? The things which you don't know, and if somebody asks you, you don't feel comfortable. Yes? So here again, Amay was not comfortable. So let us not be the same. Let us practice the sums. Okay? So Prachi, come on. Help me to add these sums. Okay. Prachi, 5 plus 3.
8, teacher.
Yes. Then 2 plus 1.
3.
3 plus 4.
7.
Yes. And 4 plus 2.
6.
Yes. Very good. So I hope everybody remembers that we start adding from the units place. You all remember? Yes or no? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, we start from the units place. Right? Unlike division. Okay? So next sum, Prachi, 6 plus 1.
7.
3 plus 0.
3.
7 plus 2.
9.
Okay. And 8 will come as it is down because we don't need to add anything to 8. Okay, Prachi. Very good, dear. Okay, now let us meet Meera. Okay, now what Meera is saying, hello friends, I am Meera. I bought uniform worth rupees 350 and books worth rupees 360. Okay, how much did I spend in all? Okay, so Meera is asking us that I have bought uniform worth rupees 350 and books worth rupees 360. So come on, let us help us to know how much did she spend in all. Okay, Khushi Gupta. Now see, cost of uniform is 350 and cost of books is 360. So to find the total, we need to add, right, Khushi?
Yes, teacher.
Now tell me, 0 plus 0 is?
0.
5 plus 6.
11, 1 carry.
Very good. So I will just put a carry over in the hundreds place. And then 1 plus 3 plus 3, Khushi.
7.
Very good. So what was the amount she spent in all?
710.
Very good. 710. Very good, Khushi. Give me a high five. Nice. Okay. Now we have the next episode, electricity bill. Okay. Now once what happened, Amay was just, sitting with his parents in the living room, and they were just discussing something, and that time the doorbell rang and a man came and handed over the electricity bill. Okay. So the idea stuck in his father's mind, and Amay's father told him that, see, I'm giving you last month's bill and this month's bill. So you have to tell me how many units were used in the month of February. Okay. So his father gave him the bill of January and the bill of February. Okay. So Amay had to find out how much units were used. Okay. So what did he do? First, he wrote the units of February bill and then units of January. And he subtracted and he got the units of month of February. Okay. Did you all understand? Quickly show me your thumb. Yes. Okay. So his father was really happy and he said, well done, my son. So Amay could do that subtraction and he was really happy. Okay. So time for us to solve now. Okay. Shrutika, come on, help me to solve the subtraction sums.
Yes,
Okay.
teacher.
8 minus 3.
5.
Yes. 6 minus 1.
5.
7 minus 5.
3.
7 minus 5, Shrutika. Do it again.
2.
Yes, 2. And 9 minus 8.
1.
Yes, very good. Now, the next sum. 7 minus 2.
5.
Okay. Then can I do 2 minus 4?
No.
Okay.
Borrow.
So, yes, borrow it. So, I will make it 12.
12.
Okay. And I have borrowed 1 from 6. So, I'll make it 5. Right? So, 12 minus 4, Shrutika. 12 minus
8.
4.
8.
Yes. 5 minus 1.
4.
Okay. And 8 minus 4.
4.
Very good. Okay. See, students, when your friends are solving, you can also solve it in the book. Okay. And then let me know how many of you are getting it correct. Okay. Now let us meet our new friend. What he's saying, that the cost of chair is rupees 420 and the cost of table is rupees 560. How much is the difference in the cost of both? Come on, I want everybody to solve it. Okay. Shrutika, cost of chair is 420 and cost of table is 560. So what is the difference in the cost? And we need to subtract, right? So
Yeah,
tell
right.
me 0 minus 0.
0.
6 minus 2.
4.
And 5 minus 4.
1.
Right. So the difference in the cost is rupees 140. Okay. Any one of you could do it? Just show me your thumb if you have done, or show me your book. Okay. Gayatri has done. Hridaya has done. Who else? Shamika. Very good. Bharshev, have you done? Okay. Okay. Now let's move on to the next episode. Are you all enjoying the story? Yes? Okay. So now let us see the birthday episode. Now see, this is, this happens with every one of you. All the kids. When your birthday is near, you start dreaming about your birthday. Don't you? You start dreaming. what mama will give me, what party I'm going to do, then what my friends are going to give me. So Amay, see, you can see Amay sleeping and he was dreaming about his birthday. Okay. He was just imagining that my friends are dancing, they have brought a big cake, then there is a magic show, and he was very happy. And when he woke up, he just ran to his parents and he said that, Mama, Papa, I was dreaming about my birthday. What will be special on my birthday this year? What are you going to give me? Where are we going to celebrate? All these questions you also ask, right? So he was also asking his parents. So what his father said that I think you can do all the preparations of your birthday this year. So he wanted Amay to, do the preparations. So to be specific, his mother said that at least you can buy return gifts for your friends, right? You all give return gifts to your friends after the party. Yes? Right. So his mother said that, Amay, I'll give you some amount of money and you go and buy the return gifts. So Amay was very happy. You can see now in the pic that he was really happy to go and buy the return gifts. So Amay went to buy the return gifts. He could see so many things. So he was just selecting what to buy. So he selected these two things to buy for his friends. And then he is like, this is for rupees 25. I have 12 friends and this is for rupees 20. This I want to give to 10 friends. How do I multiply? How do I add? How much money I have? Will it be enough for me to buy? So there were so many questions running around in his mind. So his sister Sia, she helped him that 25 into 12 you will get 25 into 12 you will get answer 300 and 10 into 20 you will get 200. So Amay, mama has given you 500 and you can buy these things for your friend. So Amay was really happy, right? So when you have the cost of one thing and you are supposed to find for more, we multiply, right? Yes or no? Okay. So now let us practice multiplication. Okay. Now who is going to help me to multiply? Very good. I'm so happy to see all hands raised. Huh? All are so attentive. Okay. Come on, tell me. 4 twos are?
8,
Okay. See, I have started again from the units place. Okay. 2 fours are 8. Now I will multiply. 2 nines are?
2 9s are 18,
18. So 1 I will put in the hundreds place and 8 in the tens place. Right? Then 2 twos are 4. Plus 1?
5,
5. Okay. Now next one. 7 fives are?
35,
Very good. So 3 I will put on the carrying side and here 5. Then 7 twos are?
17,
7 twos are 14 plus 3, 17. Correct. So 1 in the hundreds place, 7 in the tens place. Then 7 ones are?
7,
Plus 1.
8,
Okay. Now see, we have one friend, Raj. What is he saying? Hi friends, I am Raj. I bought one shirt for rupees 240. Can you tell me what will be the cost of 3 such shirts? Come on, let us help him. So we have the cost of one shirt, so we need to find for 3 shirts. So we will multiply it, right? So 3 zeros are?
0,
3 fours are?
12,
Yes, very good. And then 3 twos are 6 plus 1?
7,
Very good. So cost of 3 shirts is rupees 720.
20,
Okay. Now next we have the story of geometry box. Once all the children, they were playing and then the girl said that, hey, dad has bought something for all of us today. Right? So all of them were very happy. So what did dad bring? He brought geometry box. So Amay said, wow, geometry box. Okay. So here comes the sum for Amay. His father is telling him that cost of 5 geometry box is rupees 300. What will be the cost of one geometry box? Okay. So here children, when we are given the cost of many and when we need to find the cost of one unit, then we divide, right? So Amay gave the answer rupees 60 for each geometry box, right? Do you agree? When we are given the cost of one and when we need to find for many, then we multiply. And when we are given the cost of many and when we need to find for one unit, we divide. Okay? Come on, practice time. Okay. Now we need to solve the division. Just tell me the answer. How will I solve it?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah. 424 divided by 4. So come on, tell me. 4.
Ones are 4.
Very good. 4 ones are 4. I subtract. I get the answer 0. Then what number will come down?
2.
Very good. Now 2 is smaller than 4. So what will we do?
Minus
4.
0.
Yes. 4 zeros are 0.
0.
Right? So 2 minus 0, I get 2. And what will come down?
2, 24.
Yes, 24. 4 will come down. So 4.
Minus 24.
No, dear. 4. Tell me the table of 4. When will you get 24? 4, how much are 24?
6.
Yes, yes. So 4 6 are 24. And I got the remainder 0. Right? Now tell me what is the dividend here?
424.
Yes. Divisor,
4.
quotient.
106.
Very good. And remainder?
0.
Oh, good. Now tell me the next one. 576 divided by 5. So what will I do? 5.
5 ones are 5.
Yes, 5 ones are 5. So 5 minus 5, I'll get 0. And
0.
what number will come down?
7.
Yes. So again 5.
0. 7 0. 7 0.
No. You got the answer 0 7, right? So now again you have to say the table of 5, right? So 5 ones are 5 again,
5 ones are 5.
right? So when you subtract 7 minus 5, when you do, you will get the answer 2. Now
2.
which number will come down?
6.
Yes, so it makes 26. Now you have to say the 5's table again. 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are
25.
yes. So 26 minus 25, you get the remainder 1.
1.
Right? Yes.
Yes.
Now tell me which is the dividend here?
576.
Divisor,
5.
quotient,
115.
and remainder.
1.
Very good, Shreya. Well tried. Give me a high five. Yes. How many of you could do it in your book? I told you now, when your friends are doing, you can do it in your book at the same time. Okay, very good. Now let us move to the next story. Episode 7, the market. Now what happened with Amma in the market? Okay, so Mama told him that go and buy some fruits and vegetables for me from the market. So Amma went to the market, and then after purchasing, he told that uncle that please tell me how much do I have to pay for these. Okay, and he was not able to calculate. He was not able to add quickly that what amount he has to pay. So whatever uncle told him, he gave it to uncle and he left from there. So before leaving, he was just confused that I hope I have not paid extra. Okay, so he just got confused between the coins and notes, how much change he has given, was it correct or not, how much uncle gave him back. So he was not very sure. Okay, so after coming back, he kept counting that I hope I have not given anything extra to the person, right? So then what he felt, I wish I had paid more attention when the teacher was explaining during online class. So which chapter do you think this is? Any idea? Who can tell me? Yes, Varshiv, can you tell me which chapter this is? Very good. Coins and currency. Very good. Okay. So now let us solve a simple example. I want a change of rupees 50. Okay. So you have to tell me how many notes of 5 I will get if I want the change of rupees 50. How many notes? Very good. 10 notes of rupees 5. Right. Then how many notes of 10 I'll get for rupees 50?
5.
Very good. Very good. 5 notes. And now see, I have 10 rupee coin and 2 rupee coin. So I already have 3 coins of rupees 10. So 3 coins of rupees 10 makes it 30. Right? So 50 minus 30 is 20. Right? So for 20, how many coins will I get of 2?
10 coins.
Very good. 10
10
coins.
coins.
Very good. Very good, students. Okay. So now let's move to the next episode. Episode 8, the exam. Okay. So here you can see a robo is there and he's asking both of them, are you both ready for your exams? Okay. And you can see Amma is so relaxed and Sia is still studying. Right? So what happens when he sits to write the exam, he could see the pop-up. Now normally you all fill Google Forms and all, right, for your exams? Yes?
Yes.
So after clicking on the submit button, Amay was shocked to see the pop-up timeout. Your response cannot be recorded. What does that mean? That he has exceeded the time limit, right? And then he started crying and he went to his mama and said, Mama, I missed my exam. I thought quarter to 10 means 10:15. What does this mean? This means that he was supposed to submit the paper before quarter to 10. What is the meaning of quarter to 10? Who will tell me? Anushka, can you tell me? Quarter to 10 means what is the timing? Yes, Sana?
Ma'am, it is 9:45.
Very good. So,
9:45 teacher.
yes, 9:45. And what Amay thought quarter to 10, that is 9:45, it did not click him. He thought that quarter to 10 is 10:15. So he was so relaxed that he did not submit his paper and finally he missed his exam. Okay, so that should not happen with us, right? So let us solve the examples. Okay, come on. Now tell me, what is the meaning of quarter past 3? How many minutes past 3 can you say? Quarter past 3 means how many minutes past 3?
3 minutes.
15. Yes, 15 minutes past 3. Now quarter past 5 means how many minutes past how many? Come on, tell me.
15 minutes past 5.
Very good. 15 minutes past 5. Okay. Then quarter past 10 means how many minutes past how many?
15 minutes past 10.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Now 15 minutes past 4 means, now you have to tell me the other form. 15 minutes past 4 means what?
Quarter past 4.
Very good. Quarter past 4. Then 45 minutes past 6.
Quarter to 7.
Very good. Quarter to 7. Yes. Then last one, 30 minutes past 9.
Half past 9.
Yes. Very good. Super. Give me a high five, all of you. Sana, Anamika. Yes. Very good. Now, interested in knowing the next episode?
Yes, ma'am.
Pizza story. How many of you like pizza? See, smile on your face. Okay. Anushka, you like pizza? Yes. Okay. So what happened once they decided to have a party, okay, and everybody was asked how much pizza are they going to have. Obviously, before ordering, you need to know, right, how much pizza each one is going to have. So all were kids. So normally, mama also asks you, how much are you going to eat? Accordingly, we order food because we cannot waste food, right? We should never waste food. So this was the answer which Amay got. Okay, half, 3/4, one whole, 3/4 and half. Now he was again very confused. How do I add this? And how will I order the pizza? So he got confused. So his mother helped him by showing the picture. Okay. Now here, who is going to just help me quickly? Hridaya, will you try? Come on. Now
Yes.
here, see, I have one pizza. Okay, the mother has told that she will be having the whole pizza, right? So Hridaya, tell me, this half and this half will make how much?
This
Half.
two half.
Yes. Now
4.
two half are there.
Oh,
So it will make one. Yes?
yes, a
Yes.
whole.
So 1 and 1 will make 2. So till now we have 2 pizza. And
Yes.
this 3/4 and 3/4 will make how much?
3/4 and
See, this is, if you consider this half, okay, and this half. So this half and this half will make 1. And you have 2 pieces here. So half. So this will make 1 and half. Right?
yes.
Sana, what do you say? Yes. So I have here 1. This will make 2. And the remaining 1 and half. So total is 3 and half. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. And Amay himself is going to have half pizza. So what will be the total? How much is he going to order? 3 and half plus half. How much is he going to order?
4 pizzas.
4 pizza. Very good. So then he was very relieved when his mama helped him. She said, "Thank you for helping me, mom. Let us order 4 pizza." Okay. So time for us to practice now. Okay. Come on. Write the following fractions in words. Who is going to tell me this? Just read
Yes.
the fraction. Yeah. Tell me.
5 upon 3/4.
5 and 3/4. Dear. Okay. 5 and 3/4. Okay. What about the next one?
7 upon 11.
Yes. Very good. Now you have to put the correct sign. Now tell me, 1 upon 4 is greater or 1 upon 2 is greater?
1 upon 2.
Yes. 1 upon 3 and 1 upon, sorry, 1 upon 100 and 1 upon 200. Which one is greater?
1 upon 100
Okay. Then 1 upon 3, 1 upon 3. What sign will come?
is equal.
Very good. 5 upon 9, 7 upon 9. Which sign will come?
7 upon 9.
7 upon 9 is greater. Very good. Okay. So this was all about fractions. Now the next story, the milk story. Okay. Now what happened once mama was just, trying to find out who is going to help her. So she said that, kids, who is going to help me today? And Amay was ready to help. He was really intelligent, but then at times due to just, due to his mischief and all, he did not pay attention, but he was very intelligent. So mama said, okay, today Amay is going to help me. So what she did, she handed over the milk history, whatever she had ordered for 1 week. Okay, and she just told Amay that you need to convert all these into milliliters and give it to me. Interesting. Okay, so Amay had to just convert all these into milliliters and he had to give it to mama. Okay, so 1.5 liter. Come on, who is going to help me to say? Sana, come on, say 1.5 liter. So 1 liter is 1000 milliliter plus half liter. So what will be the answer?
500.
Yes, 1500 milliliters. So 2 liters is how much, Sana? Yes, 2000 milliliters, right? Can you be a bit louder, beta? Then 1 liter and 1/4 liter. Now 1 liter is 1000 milliliter. And what is quarter liter? 250, right?
Yes.
So what will be the answer?
1250.
Yes. Then Wednesday they had ordered 2 liters. So 1 liter is 1000 milliliter. 2 liters is 2 liters, 2000. Yes. Then 1.5 liters. So 1 liter plus 500. That comes to 1000. Yes. Then 1 and 3/4 liters. So 1 liter and 3/4 means 3/4 liters is 750 ml, right? So 1750 ml. And again 2 liters we have 2000 ml. Okay. So he could convert the capacities given by his mom. Okay. Come on. Now it's our time to solve. Quickly tell me. 2 kilometers.
2000 millimeter.
Very good. 5 centimeters.
50
50
millimeters.
millimeters.
Yes. 8 meters.
800 centimeters.
Very good.
800 centimeters.
Yes. 11 centimeters.
110 millimeters.
Very good. 9 meters.
110.
900 centimeters. 900 centimeters.
Very good. And 12 kilometers.
12,000 meters. 12,000.
Very good. Very good. Give me a high five.
12,000 meters.
Yes. Very good. Okay. One more. Quickly tell me. Half a meter. How many centimeters? Yes, Suraj?
50 centimeters.
Yes. 3/4 kilograms. Come on, those of you know can answer.
750 grams.
Yes. Then quarter meter.
25 centimeter.
Yes. Quarter kilogram. How many grams?
250 grams.
Yes. Then half a kilometer. How many meters?
500 meters.
Very good.
500 meters.
Then 3/4 meters. How many meters?
70,
Sorry, centimeters.
75 centimeter.
75 centimeters. Very good. Suraj, give me a high five. Shreya. Good. Now the handkerchief story. Okay. So Sia had a handkerchief, and what she wanted to do, she told his friends that I want to buy one lace for this hanky. Okay. So Amay, will you help me? She asked. So Amay was very much confused now how to buy a lace. How will we come to know the measurement and all? So Sia, she just explained him that see, this is the handkerchief and the middle area, this part, okay, that is called the area. And when you want a border or a lace for something, you need to find its perimeter. What is the perimeter? Does anyone know? What is the meaning of perimeter? Yes, Isha?
Outer side.
Outer side. But how will you get the perimeter?
Sum of
Length of
Very
all
good.
sides.
Yes, sum of the lengths of all sides. Okay. So come on, let us solve this. Here we have to add all the outer sides and we have to get the perimeter. Okay. So here what will I get the answer?
20 centimeters.
20
Very good.
centimeter.
20. Yes. 5 centimeter plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. I'll get 20. Now see children, here be careful. I have 8 sides. Right? And each side is 4. So what will be the answer?
32.
Very good. 32 centimeter. Now see here. Yes. Here you have to add 2.5 plus 4.5. That will give you 7. Yes. Yes. Plus 5. 2.5 plus 2.5. That is 5. Right? Plus 5 and plus 7. So you will get the answer 24 centimeters.
24 centimeters.
Okay. Now here I have area sums. Here now see, one box is equal to 1 square unit area. So you just need to count the number of box and tell me the area. Okay? Come on, who will tell me the first area?
30 square unit.
Very good, 30 square units. I have 30 squares over here, right? What about the chessboard? How many of you play chess? You must be knowing how many squares are there.
So I can play chessboard.
Okay. So what is the area?
60 square unit.
64.
square unit. 64.
Yes. And what about this Visa card? 12 squares. Very. Now see the fun fair. You all want to go through the fun fair with Amay? You want to go? Okay. So Amay had gone to a fun fair with his friends. And when he came back, he was asked what all things, what all stalls did he see there? So he said that, yeah, I saw one game stall. Beside that, there was a food stall. Then there was also cloth shop was there. Then again, there was a game stall. So that way he was explaining. So Sia said, no. Teacher has taught us to explain using pictures, right? So we can say like this, that there were 4 food stalls, 3 toy stalls, then there were 5 food stalls, 3 toy stalls, then 4 game stalls, and 2 ice cream stalls. Right? I hope you all remember we had done in the pictograph last lesson that when we express or when we show something using pictures, then it becomes very easier for the other person to understand. Right? Come on. Now let's solve the sum. Here you have favorite sports of the students in a class. So you have to tell me now see here this scale is not given, right? So each picture stands for one student. So which is the most popular sport? How many, where you can see maximum number of students?
Football.
Yes, very
Football.
good. Then which is the least popular, where you can see very less number of students?
Baseball.
Baseball.
Then how many more students like football than baseball? So first you have to see how many students play football. There are, I think, 10 students who play football, right? And how many play baseball? 7. So what is the difference? Very good.
Three students.
And which
Three
sport
more
is chosen
students.
by 9 students? Sport is chosen by 9 students.
Soccer.
Very good. Soccer. Superb, superb. Give me a high five.
Soccer.
I'm really happy with your answers. Okay. Now next is the garden story. They were playing in the garden. Okay. And Sia, she just remembered what teacher had taught and she said, have you noticed the pattern in the table of 9? It's amazing. Okay. So Amay said, wow. Now see, now Sia is showing. Have you all noticed? I'm asking you all also. Now see, 9 ones are 9, 18, 9
Ma'am,
threes
it
are
is
20.
9 tables.
Yeah, it is a 9 table. But if you notice the pattern, you can see in the unit place from down to up, you can see the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And in the, sorry, in the 10th, and in the 10th place, you can see from top 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? So this is the pattern in 9th table. Right? So this, I think you all have done in the chapter patterns.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Using designs, geometrical shapes, freehand and everything. Right? So I've got a small exercise for you all. Come on, let us see if you all can solve. Now see, here you have to complete the pattern. 1, 3, 5, 7. So if you notice, here I have difference
One
of two
number.
numbers. What will be the next number? Can you guess?
9,
9, then
11,
11, then
13,
11.
very
13.
yes. Now here if
15,
you see,
15.
yes. Now here if you see, we have to go backward. So 30 minus 3, 27 minus 3, 24 minus 3, 21. What will be the next number? 18.
18.
What will be the next
18.
one?
15.
Very good. What about the
15.
next?
12.
Very,
12.
very good.
12.
Okay. Here if you see, bachas, I have added 10 to each number. 2 plus 10, 12, plus 10, 22, plus 10, 42. Then next,
42,
42.
42.
Then
52,
52.
62,
62.
okay. Now here
52.
again I'm going backward. 45 minus 5, 40, minus 5, 35, minus 5, 30. Next,
25,
next,
25.
20,
next.
20.
50,
15.
Very good. So
15.
smart are you all? Huh? Now again 29 minus 3, 26, minus 3, 23, minus 3, 20. Then
17, 17,
then
14,
then
14.
11,
very good. Now here if you see 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 4,
11.
11,
then 11 plus 5,
16.
16,
16 plus 6,
60.
22.
very good.
22.
Okay. Now here you can see 4th table, 4, 8, 12, 16,
20,
yes.
20.
24,
24.
28,
28.
28.
Super, super, very good. So here we come to our end. Okay. So first you have to tell me how many of you have understood and have you all enjoyed the story?
Yes, miss.
Everyone?
Yes, miss.
Okay. So that was just a quick revision of all the topics of your math subject. Okay. But most important, I want you all to understand that whatever teacher teaches bacha, you have to be very sincere and you have to attend your classes very honestly. Okay. Will you promise me that today?
Yes, miss.
How many of you are going to promise me? Okay. Okay. Thank you, students. Thank you so much.
Thank you, miss.